Ever feel like everyone else got a manual on how to socialize and you were completely left out? If you've spent years struggling to build tight friendships, stop beating yourself up. You're not broken, you're not awkward, and you're definitely not the problem. Psychology shows there are deep, fascinating reasons your mind works this way. Here are 6 psychological reasons why you struggle to make friends, and why it's actually your biggest superpower. Number 1. Your BS detector is too sharp. Let's be real. Most social circles are built on fake smiles, office gossip, and surface-level drama. If you're hyper-self-aware, your brain spots insincerity a mile away. You're not antisocial. You just refuse to fake smile through a conversation that drains your soul. You'd literally rather sit at home in peace than pretend to care about empty small talk. Number 2. You crave real depth, not small talk. How about this weather? Or, crazy week, huh? Sound exhausting? That's because your brain isn't wired for idle chatter. You want to talk about big ideas, life goals, late-night thoughts, and honest feelings. You don't just want people around, you want people who feel like home. And until you find that, silence just feels safer. Number 3. You replay every interaction like a movie. Do you find yourself lying in bed at night, replaying a conversation from 3 days ago thinking, why did I say it like that? That's your high self-awareness working overtime. While others just blurt things out and move on, your brain is analyzing body language, tone, and facial expressions. It's mentally exhausting, which makes hanging out feel like a full-time job. Number 4. You don't need validation to survive. In psychology, this is called low social dependency. You've learned how to entertain yourself, tackle problems on your own, and enjoy your own company. Society tells us that having a massive crew equals success, but you've realized that an empty room is better than a room full of the wrong people. Number 5. Past hurt made you build up walls. If you've ever been left out, betrayed, or used by people you trusted, your nervous system remembers. You're not cold or distant. You've just set a high bar for who gets access to your life. You're protective of your peace, and honestly, that's smart, not selfish. Number 6. Your social battery drains at light speed. For extroverts, being around people is like plugging into a charger. For you, it's running 10 apps at once with 5% battery left. Your brain processes sensory details at a much deeper level, meaning a 2-hour hangout requires a full day of solitude just to recalibrate. The bottom line: struggling to fit in doesn't mean you're flawed. It means you think deeply, feel intensely, and value genuine connection over cheap popularity. Deep people don't make friends instantly, but when they do, those bonds last a lifetime.